Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today I have a really simple recipe for you. You can make it in just 5 minutes and it is sweet corn and tuna couscous. So my ingredients are couscous, chicken stock cube, sweet corn and tuna steak. So let's get started. So my first step is to take the couscous and I'm going to pour it into the bowl. So just enough to cover the end. And then we're going to mix our chicken stock cube in some boiling water. So I'm just going to place the stock cube into the glass and we're going to fill it up with boiling water. And then give it a mix around until that you can see that the stock cube has all absorbed into the water. So now once the stock cube has all absorbed, we're going to pour it in with the couscous. And then we're going to give that a stir around. And what we're going to do now is we're going to cover over the top of the bowl with cling film and we're going to leave this for 3 minutes so that the water can absorb into the couscous. So while our couscous has been left to set, I'm going to open up the tuna steak and the sweet corn and I'm going to drain the juice out of each can. So now it's been 3 minutes, so we're going to check and see how the couscous is. So you can see there that a lot of the water has absorbed. So now we're ready to add in the sweet corn and tuna. So first I'm going to add in the sweet corn. And then give that a mix around. And now we're going to add in the tuna. And again, give it a stir. So give it a good stir so we can make sure that all the ingredients are blended well together. And this will give a really nice flavouring. So as you can see, it's a very simple recipe. It only takes 5 minutes for it to make and it's nice and healthy too. So there we have, all ready to eat, sweet corn and tuna couscous. Thank you everybody for watching, and if you like this video, please remember, subscribe below. Have a nice day.